Welcome to Finance Fusions. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of budgeting. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create a budget that you can stick to no matter your financial situation. Let's get started. Part 1. Why budgeting is important. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of your money and find yourself in debt or unable to save for your future goals. A well-structured budget helps you allocate your income efficiently, prioritize spending, and avoid financial stress. Simply put, budgeting is about controlling your money so that your money doesn't control you. Part 2. Assess your income. The first step in creating a budget is understanding your income. Knowing exactly how much money you have coming in each month is essential. Start by listing all your sources of income. This could include your salary, side jobs, investments, or any other income streams. It's crucial to use your net income, the amount after taxes and deductions, since that's what you actually have to work with. If your income fluctuates, take an average over the past few months to create a more accurate budget. This step sets the foundation for the rest of your budgeting process. Part 3. Track your expenses. Next, let's look at your expenses. This is where many people are surprised. For 1 month, track every single expense. Yes, every coffee, every grocery trip, every subscription service. Categorize these expenses into needs and wants. Needs include essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries. Wants are things like dining out, entertainment, or that daily latte. At the end of the month, add up your spending in each category. This process helps you understand your spending habits and identify areas where you might be overspending. The goal is to create a complete picture of your financial outflow. Part 4. Set financial goals. With your income and expenses clearly outlined, it's time to set some financial goals. These goals are what will drive your budgeting decisions. Whether it's saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or planning for a big purchase, having clear, actionable goals will keep you motivated. Break down your goals into short-term and long-term categories. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation or a new gadget. Long-term goals could be saving for a house, retirement, or starting a business. Assign a dollar amount and a timeline to each goal, which will make them more tangible and achievable. Part 5. Creating your budget. Now that we have all the necessary information, it's time to create your budget. Start by listing your total net income at the top. Next, allocate your income to cover your needs. First, these are non-negotiable expenses like housing, utilities, groceries, and insurance. After covering your needs, allocate money towards your financial goals. This could be savings, debt repayment, or investments. Finally, allocate any remaining income to your wants. Remember, your budget should balance, meaning your total expenses, savings, and investments should equal your total income. If your expenses exceed your income, it's time to adjust. It's also important to prepare for irregular expenses, like car repairs or medical bills. Set aside a small portion of your budget each month into an emergency fund for these unexpected costs. Part 6. Sticking to your budget. Creating a budget is one thing, but sticking to it is where the real challenge lies. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. First, automate as much as you can. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts and automate your bill payments. This removes the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. Another tip is to review your budget regularly. I recommend doing this weekly or monthly, depending on your needs. This keeps you aware of your spending and allows you to make adjustments as needed. If you overspend in one category, adjust the following month to balance things out. Finally, don't forget to reward yourself. It's important to include some fun money in your budget, money you can spend guilt-free on things you enjoy. This keeps you motivated and prevents budget burnout. Part 7. Adapting your budget. Life is unpredictable, and so is your budget. It's okay to adjust your budget as your circumstances change. Whether it's a new job, a raise, or an unexpected expense, your budget should be flexible enough to accommodate changes. The key is to review and adapt regularly, ensuring that your financial goals stay on track. Adapting your budget doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're being realistic and proactive about your finances. Remember, the goal is not perfection but progress. Part 8. Budgeting tools and resources. There are many tools and resources available to help you manage your budget, from apps that track your spending to online calculators that help you plan for future expenses. Take advantage of these tools to make budgeting easier. Using these tools can help you stay organized, monitor your progress, and adjust your budget as needed. Choose the one that best fits your lifestyle and start integrating it into your financial routine. Conclusion and recap: budgeting doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. It's about making conscious choices with your money to achieve the life you want. Let's recap. Start by assessing your income, track your expenses, set clear financial goals, create a balanced budget, and review it regularly. Remember, your budget is a living document. It can and should change as your life changes. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Finance Fusions for more tips on managing your money, building wealth, and achieving financial independence. And let us know in the comments what